Welcome to Lasermet's RealTime Laser Safety Software, your online tool for calculating essential laser safety parameters. Now, let's take a closer look at the menu options. Here, you'll find easy access to your home, profile, saved lasers, and the option to buy calculations, helping you manage all your laser safety needs efficiently. In the center of the home page, you'll see 4 types of calculators. The point and extended calculator, ideal for general laser safety assessments. The fiber optics calculator, designed for precise safety calculations in fiber optic systems. The diffuse reflection calculator, helping you evaluate indirect laser exposure risks. And finally, the lookup table, providing quick reference data for standard safety parameters. Now, pick a calculator and start calculating. Inside the point and extended calculator, you'll first see a panel for saved lasers, where you can select from your saved laser history or save a new calculation for future use. Just below, there's a panel to choose your laser operation type: continuous wave, CW, single pulse, or repetitively pulsed. Underneath that is the source type, where you can select either point or extended source based on your laser setup. Another key section is the CW settings panel, where you'll enter the specific values for the laser you want to calculate. This is the most important step. And at the lower right corner, you'll see the remaining calculations panel. This shows how many calculations you can perform based on your purchase plan. Now, let's go through a sample calculation. For wavelength, we'll enter 532 nanometers, the exposure duration, set to 10 seconds. For laser power, we'll input 0.5 watts. Beam diameter, let's set that to 2 millimeters. Beam divergence will be 1.5 milliradians. And for the distance to target, we'll enter 5 meters. Once all the values are set, click Calculate. Now that we've calculated the values, you'll see the results displayed. First, the eye, skin, and beam properties are shown, providing key information on potential exposure risks. You'll also find other important laser safety results, such as the laser class details, which help determine the level of safety measures required, and recommendations on the appropriate type of laser eyewear to ensure proper protection. Need to record the result? Don't worry. Lasermet has you covered. Just scroll down below, and you'll see the download button. Simply click it, and your results will open in a new tab, ready for you to save or print. Now that you've seen how easy it is to calculate laser safety parameters with Lasermet's RealTime Laser Safety Software, why not give it a try yourself? Head over to the calculator, enter your laser details, and see how fast you can get accurate results. Your safety starts here.